This might be one of the fastest growing AI niches right now. These insanely satisfying wooden car carving videos are taking over social media, with brand new pages gaining millions of views in record time.
And yes, you can monetize this niche. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral videos from scratch using free AI tools. No experience, no paid software, just a simple step-by-step process anyone can follow. So the first thing you're gonna need is a chatbot. You can use either Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, or ChatGPT. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. The first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT
And type, "Give me 10 car brand names and models." Then press Enter. As you can see, this is what ChatGPT gave us. Toyota Camry, Honda Civic, BMW M4 Competition, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, Audi RS7 Sportback, and many more. Open Google Flow and click New Project. As you can see on the screen, the interface is very simple and easy to understand. Come over here and click Video. Make sure Video is selected under Ingredients. Leave the aspect ratio at 9:16. Next, make sure you select Omni Flash. You'll notice there are different video models available, including Veo 3.1 Quality, Veo 3.1 Fast, and Veo 3.1 Lite. For this tutorial, we'll use Omni Flash. Leave the video length at 10 seconds, although you can also choose 8 seconds, 6 seconds, or 4 seconds if you prefer. Set the number of videos to 1. Now, come over here and click inside the prompt box. Then paste the prompt you copied earlier. Here's the prompt. Over here is where you'll insert the car model. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Let's select Lamborghini, copy it, then return to Google Flow and paste it here. Don't forget to include the car color as well. Let's choose blue. So we're creating a blue Lamborghini. Once everything is set, double check that everything is correct before proceeding. Then click Generate. As you can see,
By the way, if you want the exact prompt I'm using here, just comment prompt down below and I'll send it directly to you. And if you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets me keep making tutorials like this. Now, let's continue.
The video is currently generating. Let's give it a few seconds. It doesn't take long because it's very fast. As you can see on the screen, the video has finished generating. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, the entire process came out really clean. It starts with a block of wood, which is carved into the shape of the vehicle. Then the tires are added, followed by the glass, the paint is sprayed on, and boom, the video is complete. Now let's repeat the process. Paste the prompt again, then go back to ChatGPT. This time, let's select a Ford Mustang. Copy it, return to Google Flow, and paste it into the prompt. Let's make it a red Ford Mustang. Then click Generate. As you can see, it's currently generating. Let's give it a few seconds. You can see how quickly it works. It doesn't take much time. After a few seconds, the video is ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, the video turned out really well. From a block of wood to the shape of the car, all the way through the painting process, it looks fantastic. These videos perform well because people enjoy watching the entire crafting process, from a raw block of wood to a finished masterpiece. Now let's create one more video. Go back to ChatGPT. This time, let's choose a BMW M4 Competition. Copy it, then return to Google Flow and paste it here. Now let's make it a yellow BMW M4 Competition. Then click Generate. As you can see, the video is currently generating. Let's give it a few seconds. As usual, after just a few seconds, the video is ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, it came out really nice. Once your videos are ready, go ahead and download them. You can post them on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts.
And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can start creating these satisfying AI videos and begin growing your own page. If you want the exact prompt I used in this tutorial, simply comment prompt below and I'll send it directly to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.